मूव हो रहा है भाई, एक और एयर कैनेडा मूव हो रहा है.
Yeah, there it is. It's going for takeoff. We are at full zoom. Let's. Which flight are this? Is this one? AC?
कौन सा? A321.
No, this is the plane.
Air Canada.
Where is it going to?
Toronto.
Oh wow, this is good.
Going to Vancouver.
Yeah, there it is. I got it. Yeah, I got it. Yeah, I got this. Yes, I got this. I got this. Oh, there is it. Well, let's keep our focus. Canada is going somewhere else. I don't know. Where is this guy going? Can I picture it? Oh, I cannot. See? Yeah, there it is. It's running. This will be in front of us.
Yep. Yeah. Everyone, look at this. 5,
Yo.
4,
look
3,
at this. Yeah, there we go.
1.
Rotate.
Let's go.
Aris, look.
I know. Get a good look, Baba. Follow it.
Yeah. Got it.
Behind the Westgate landing, there's a porter over there. And yeah.
This should come close to us as well, this plane.
What? एक porter भी आ रहा है, porter.
Just landed. Oh.
Yep.
12 minutes of video left. 30. No. बेटा vibration हो रही है अब. किधर गया? Lost it. Here.
की आवाज आ रही है? ना बस डर आ रहा है. माँ एक और लाइट भी नजर आ रही है. Now show the west jet. Now. This porter above. Porter is coming fast. So he has to go fast. This plane, the takeoff is going to go to Toronto.
Too far.
Who's coming?
I can't see. Yeah, touchdown.
Porter. This is Porter that just came from Toronto.
This was probably our last thing, eh? Oh! Look! You missed it.
I saw it. I see it.
I can't film it. I lost it. चले?
Come.
Here? It was fun though.
there's another one coming. Up ahead later. अभी यहाँ से आएगा. अभी आएगा. अभी एयर कनाडा आ रहा है. We go Vancouver.
Why is it so black? I don't know. Maybe it's just us. We don't know.